How old are you?
I'm 10 years old and I was born in 2015, so I feel very happy and energetic. I enjoy playing different games in my free time.
Okay, so where do you live?
I live in Noakhali, which is big and busy city. I stay in an apartment to that is very close in my school. So
Okay, so what do you do?
I'm a student and I was study at Cyphers Chomuhuni branch.
Okay, so how old are you?
Uh, I'm 12 years old. I was born in 2014, so I feel very happy and energetic. I play different games with my friend.
Nice. And what do you do?
I'm a student. I study in Cyphers Chomuhuni branch. I enjoy my class with my friend.
And where do you live?
I live in Noakhali. It's a big and busy city. Noakhali is a famous for historical place.
Thank you. Okay, so how old are you?
I'm a 10 years old. I was born 2015 because so I feel very happy and energetic. I enjoy many different games in my free time.
Nice. And what do you do?
I'm a student. I learn English from Cyphers, Chomoni branch.
And where do you live?
I live in Noakhali. It's the most beautiful city in Bangladesh. I love my city.
Thank you, everyone.